In this video, we'll be looking at how to add funds to your AliceBlue trading account. Let's get started. First, log into the AliceBlue trading platform. Click on the Funds option located on the top right-hand side of the page. Here, you will see two options, Add Funds and Withdraw. Click on Add Funds. Then, select the payment option, which can be either UPI or net banking. UPI has no extra charges but allows transfers from Rs 50 to 2 lakh. Net banking will charge you Rs 10 plus GST but supports transfers up to Rs 2 crore. If you select UPI, then enter the amount you wish to add, followed by your UPI ID, which you can find on your registered UPI apps such as Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, etc. Lastly, if you have more than one linked bank account, select the bank you want to transfer the funds into. If you select net banking, except for the UPI ID, everything will be the same. I'm selecting UPI for this transaction. Next, you will receive a UPI payment request on your selected UPI application. Open the application on your mobile device and complete the transaction. After a while, if you refresh the page, you will be able to see the funds you have added to your account. So it's that quick and easy to add funds to your AliceBlue trading account. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like, share and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any updates from us.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.